Good morning, everyone. This is Ansari Yasmin, and today we are going to learn how to construct quadrilateral. Now, first we need to understand what is quadrilateral, and then we will see how we can construct the quadrilateral if different components are given. Okay, so today we are going to do the chapter construction of quadrilateral. But before construction, first we will understand what is quadrilateral, what are its different components. Okay, so let's understand the quadrilateral first. Suppose here I have taken 2 points and I have drawn a segment AB. This is a segment AB. Then again, if I take one more point C, and if I connect B and C, so segment BC will be formed. I will take one more point here, point D. Okay, and I will join point C and point D, and now I will join point D and A. So here you can see a closed figure has formed, which is having 4 segments. Segment AB, as you can see here, segment AB, then segment BC, then segment CD, and segment DA. So this is a closed figure which is having 4 sides. Even if you will observe, it is having 4 angles also. Angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D. Okay, you can see here 4 segments, 4 sides are there, 4 angles are there. And if we will draw diagonal, what is diagonal? If we join this point A from the opposite vertex point C, this is diagonal AC. And if I join AC is a diagonal. And if I join BD, point B and point D, it will form another diagonal BD. So this is a quadrilateral, and as you can see here, there are total 10 components in quadrilateral. How 10 components? 4 sides, side AB, BC, CD and DA. Then 4 angles, angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. And 2 diagonals, AC and BD, 2 diagonals are there. So total 10 components are there in quadrilateral. If out of these 10 components, if we know any 5 component, then we can construct quadrilateral. Out of 10, we need to know 5 components. Either it could be a side, it could be an angle, it could be diagonal. Any 5 components if you know, then you can construct quadrilateral. Okay, so let's start how we can construct quadrilateral. We'll start the construction. Now, as I told you, we should know any 5 components out of 10. Then we can construct quadrilateral. Now suppose the first type of construction which we are going to do is when 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given. When 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given, it means if 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given, it means we have 5 components. Okay, and if we have 5 components given, then we can construct quadrilateral. So this type of construction we are going to do today. First, when the 4 side and 1 diagonal is given. Now the question is, construct a quadrilateral ABCD. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD where length of AB is equal to 5 centimeter length of BC is equal to 7 centimeter. Length of CA is equal to 6.5 centimeter. Length of CD is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Okay, and length of DA is given 5.3 centimeter. Okay, so before construction, what we will do, we will first make a rough diagram. Based on this question, we will first draw a rough diagram. We need to construct a quadrilateral ABCD. So first, in a rough diagram, I will draw quadrilateral ABCD. Roughly you have to draw. So I will draw a quadrilateral ABCD. I'll give it a name. Okay, A, B, C, D. Let's give the length to each segment. AB is given 5 centimeters. So here I'll give 5. This is AB. Length of BC is 7 centimeter. Length of CA is this diagonal. CA is the diagonal. So I will join this diagonal. Okay, which is given 6.5 centimeter. Then length of CD is given 4.5 centimeter and length of DA is equal to 5.3 centimeter. So all the length I have mentioned here. Now by looking at this rough diagram, you need to construct a quadrilateral. So we will always start from base. As you can see here, base is CD, which is of 4.5 centimeter. So I will draw a segment of 4.5 centimeter here. So here I have taken scale 4.5 centimeter. This is 0 and here it is 4.5 centimeter. So I will join these two. I will get a segment. The name of this segment is DC. So here I'll give it a name DC. Okay. Now after that, you can see the distance between C and B. Okay, length of segment CB is given 7 centimeter. So what I will do, now I will take a distance of 7 centimeter in compass. This is the compass. I'll keep the pointer on 0 and I have to take a distance of 7 centimeter. As you can see, I have taken a distance of 7 centimeter. The distance from C to B is 7 centimeter. So I'll keep the pointer on C and I'll draw an arc here. But from this arc, I will not get point B. I need other thing also. So I'll keep this on hold. Now I will come to the distance between D and A. The length of DA is 5.3. So I will take distance of 5.3 here. I'll keep it on 0 and 5.3. After 5.3 small point, this is 5.3. As the distance between D and A is 5.3, I'll keep the pointer on D and I'll make an arc here. Okay. Now again from here I will not get point A. I need another arc. So the point of intersection will be A. So what I will do, I have to look for another component. Now as you can see here, the distance between C and A or the length of CA is 6.5. So I will take distance of 6.5 here. So here I'll take distance of 6.5. This is 6.5. As the distance between C and A is 6.5, I'll keep this pointer on C and I'll make an arc here. So here you can see a point of intersection where two points are intersecting. This point would be a point A. Okay, so I have got point A. I have to join this point A with C, and I have to join in point A with D. So I will do it. I will join A and D. I will also join A and C. Okay, but I still did not get point B. The distance between B and A is 5 centimeter. So I will take a distance of 5 centimeter in a compass, 5 centimeter. Okay, and the distance between A and B is 5. So I'll keep the pointer on A and I'll draw an arc here. So here you can see we have got a point of intersection. This point of intersection would be my point B. So I will join B and C here, and as well as I will join point A and point B. Here I'll join point B with point A. Okay, so this is my quadrilateral which has been formed. Let's label it. I have given it a name ABCD, but here the distance between C and D is 4.5 centimeters. So I'll give here 4.5 centimeter. Distance between C and B, or the length of BC, is 7 centimeter. So I will give 7 centimeter here. Distance of the length of AD is 5.3 centimeter, so I will give 5.3 centimeter, and length of AB is 5 centimeter, so I'll give here AB 5 centimeter, and the diagonal is 6.5 centimeter, so it is 6.5 centimeter. If you want to check whether your construction is correct or not, you can measure it with the scale and you can verify. As this is 5 centimeter, check whether it is a 5 centimeter or not. Yes, it is exactly of 5 centimeter. This I have labeled 7 centimeter. Let's measure it whether it is of 7. Yes, it is exactly of 7 centimeter. You can see this length is 4.5 centimeter. Let's check. As you can see, this is exactly of 4.5 centimeter. This should be 5.3. Let's check whether it is 5.3 or not. Yes, after 5, 3 small points would be 5.3. And let's check the diagonal also. Length of diagonal, as you can see, after 6, between 6 and 7 it is 6.5, and it is correct, it should be 6.5 only. So this is how we can do the construction of quadrilateral when the 4 sides, here the length of 4 sides and 1 diagonal is given. There are other components also which has been given, and on that basis also we can construct the quadrilateral. But always remember, we should know at least 5 components to construct a quadrilateral. Thank you.